Show me the way, break the chains. Show me the way, set me free. Show me the way, break the chains. Show me the way, set me free.
enjoyed much. Because we don't know, from childhood, we were just seeing the farmers, watching all the videos and so on. But really, personally, I experienced how the farmers do their farming in their real fields. Right, children, isn't it? Along with our children, we too enjoy it, sir, from our St. Peter's. So we are from St. Peter's. My name is Chandana, sir. I am their science teacher. Along with me, 4th and 5th teachers has come. So it's a wonderful experience what we have really experienced today. Right, children? Children,